Hello everyone, and no, this is not me about to play a Roblox game. This is just me uh actually going back to an older Roblox game that I was working on myself with a few other people that were also helping me. And I recently started getting back into just lightly developing it a little bit because after a certain amount of time went by, stuff started breaking because the Roblox Studio engine kept updating. And as it kept updating, I kept falling behind. A lot of my systems were, using uh, methods that have long since been deprecated and basically don't function very well within the new Roblox world, right? But recently I've gotten back to like slowly trying to fix things and piece everything back together. Um, I think the first debut, or was it the second debut? I forgot. But the first introduction really to this whole development thing was when I created this very short clip called like 5 Noobs Enter a Dungeon. I don't know if anyone's happened to cross that video, while you're perusing all my videos and stuff, but it featured me in the testing phase of Roblox Studios, where I created like a small boss encounter system where they hit this little node that triggers a boss, and all the characters line up to this invisible, point of interest area facing the boss, and then the boss comes to life. So if you've seen that, kudos, what this is probably. And yeah, but that was when I was 18. It was like, that was like 9 years ago. But yeah, I just thought like, I'd lightly try to rebuild this. And one of the first things I wanted to tackle was the stat system, because boy, when I first started this, I was still very much a noob working into like programming and everything. So it was still very new to me. I didn't know a lot of things. I knew that I could get different data stores to do different things. So I had data stores for stats, I had data stores for inventory, I had data stores for your character. I just got done refining like the data store into one united system, so it all falls into one spot, and I can easily just like reset the data or add new things in there without skipping a beat and having to change each and every script and all that stuff, which I thought was pretty cool. But yeah, I mean, I don't remember if I ever released a clip of this. I probably did, but yeah, like I had this whole thing set up, and then you can like choose your character type, your different races and everything. It's supposed to be like some fallen angel type, could be human and elf. But yeah, I thought it was pretty cool. And obviously, like, none of these, the only assets that were mine were the models, like the sword models or the weapon models, and all the scripts, obviously. But I basically, for the faces and hair and all that, I use stuff I found in the Roblox, in the Roblox toolbox and all that. But yeah, I mean, I just thought it was so cool. And then you can like change the height and everything. And then you can choose your classes. This is supposed to be like an RPG that was supposed to rival like great titles like Sword Burst, World Zero, and all that. Actually, I think I was developing this before World Zero. I think I don't remember, but when that came out, I think I was kind of already kind of done. It was just like a big project, and I did have help with some people who made models for me. They made some maps. Some people even helped me with scripting. But other than that, yeah, it was just like, it was a real big project that actually needed a lot more dedication than even I realized. But I thought it was cool, and then I have like the clothes aren't even mine. But yeah, like, I had different classes for everything. Some of them I have the animations for, some of them I still needed to make. But I thought it was gonna be pretty cool, you know? That's awkward. Why is he stabbing himself in the leg? But yeah, I had like, it was just a bunch of different things that I wanted to try to introduce. You know, I wanted to make my name on the Roblox platform at one point. But yeah, so when I'm not doing my recording, I will probably be doing this, and I will probably be doing like small progress updates, you know. I honestly don't expect to fully release this, or even release this at all. This is more of a vanity project, something that I kind of want to see through to a certain point just to see where I can get. But yeah, I'll have this place open once it gets to a pretty playable point, and then, you know, if you want to try it out, go ahead and try it out or whatever. But yeah, if you are interested, you know, in seeing the progress and seeing where this goes, you know, just drop a comment in the drop a comment below, and I'll definitely upload like progress videos and stuff like that, just showcasing different things. There's definitely a lot that I have to redo in this game, and since I'm by myself, it's gonna be a lot harder because it's just so much. Like, just getting this part working was a hassle because I had to introduce the new data store system or data saving system into here, and then integrate everything into there. It was just a lot of reference errors and things breaking until I finally got it to this point where, you know, you can at least be in the class choosing phase, I guess. But yeah, that's all I wanted to really show. I just wanted to try to bring this back into the limelight. I was like, you know what? Let me go back and see what I can do with this. But yeah, anyway, that's it. Everyone have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next true video. Bye-bye.